Hi everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to easily change the default download path in Firefox Browser so that your files are saved to a more convenient location. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the window. Click on the Browse button next to save files to. Select the folder where you want to save your downloads. You can also choose to always be asked where to save your downloads by checking the box next to always ask where to save files. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments below. Give it a like up and subscribe to my channel for more content.